Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is ANZA-T. To those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. So I did a little bit of shopping during the Black Friday. Around the Black Friday area, Takealot had a blue dot sale. So I went right ahead and got myself a ring light, a 25 centimeter ring light. It's quite small, but I think I can make it work. And I also got a Boya clip-on mic. So let's get right ahead into the unboxing. I'll be unboxing my ring light and unboxing my Boya mic. So we're about to create cleaner, nicer content for you guys. So yay! So here is the microphone. It's the Boya Lavalier microphone, micro cravate. I hope I'm pronouncing right. It says super big sound for presentation and video recording is the BYM1. And yeah, a lot of things about mics that I don't understand, but it is compatible for smartphones, DSLRs, camcorders, audio recorders, and personal computers, and is an omni-directional condenser microphone. High quality condenser is ideal for video use. Low handling noise, includes lapel clip, I guess is the thing that I clip here, and a foam wide screen, and a quarter, yeah, adapter. So I'm gonna go right ahead and open it up. I already love the fact that it comes with a case because I'm really bad with handling things. Comes with this like bag that you can tie like that. This is like the, I guess, the condenser part of it. I don't know guys, I'm not into tech, but it comes with whatever that is, which has an on and off, and where you set it to camera like that, and a very long cable. I guess this is going to reach to my computer or my camera. And then it comes with this, I guess it's one of the pins we are supposed to use. And a battery. A clip and a pin. I guess this pin is made if like this is different from your camera, you can like connect it like that. And this is the thing that goes on top of the microphone. This is the microphone part of it, where you put that into that, and that's the microphone. I am glad it comes with a thingy because I'm really clueless when it comes to tech. And yeah, so next I'll be unboxing the ring lights. Microphone was 200 rands, and then the ring light went for 620 rands, and I'll also list all the specifications, and maybe if I can get links to the direct things, I will put them in the description box in case you're interested. This looks like a toy. So this is the light part of it. It comes with a cell phone adapter. I won't be using this because I film with my camera. I think I'll just put my own tripod stand behind this the tripod of the ring light itself. I'm guessing this is the stand part of it, which doesn't look strong. So this is what the ring light look like. The stand is short, it's a 52, sorry, the stand is short, it's a 52 centimeter stand, but they did write, I just didn't read. So as you can see, like it's this big, it's small, it's tiny, but I think I'll just try it out. Okay, I'm not mad at it. I'm really not mad at it. Okay, I think it will be very interesting to learn how to balance this. So that's the brightest. When I come closer, that's how it looks like. Guys, don't mind my eyebrows. I'm still healing from the microblading. I went for a touch-up, so I look weird. But I think it is working fine. So you can change the light to blue. I don't like blue light. Yellow. Yellow is not bad. Let's see if we increase yellow. Okay, let's reduce. Okay, let's change it back to yellow. Let's reduce the brightness of yellow. I think yellow looks more natural, it looks more vibrant. So I'm still undecided if I want to return this or keep it and figure it out. But all in all, guys, I still like natural lighting compared to like a ring light. Maybe I just don't know how to use it yet. Filming with natural light. Tell me what you think about this light. It also comes with something that you can put your phone in. So this will, I think I'll use it when I film like tutorials on Instagram. Please follow me at ANZA-T_18. So I'll be using that. And it has this dimmable. Assembling this was very hard because it didn't come with a manual. So yeah, I really feel like for something like this, it should really come with a manual. Okay, to get time getting used to, but anyway, thank you very much for watching my unboxing. It will be interesting to create content with this, but it will just be a trial and error type of thing, because I'm really not into tech. I know nothing about technology. But yeah, please remember to subscribe, like and comment and share. When I film with this, I'll be sure to tell you guys that I'm filming with the ring light, I'm filming with the microphone. I have a couple of videos that I shot before this stuff arrived, so yeah, expect that a little bit later, but it's really not bad.